Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make chapati village edition with minimal ingredients. So the ingredients we have is basically we have the baking flour, this, then we have the baking powder, we are going to use salt, and then we have cooking oil here. Forgive us, we reuse plastic bottles, and then with onions, and that is all. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to mix this together, and then we stick along. So I'll first add the baking powder. This is ngano. Putting all of it. That was the baking flour. This is the baking powder. So I'll add this as well. You use filling, you know. And then I'll add salt. I think this is enough. Maybe a little, depending on what your filling tells you. Then this is my onion. So normally you have to cut it into really small pieces. I don't know if I'll pull it off with a knife, but if you have a grater, better. You just make the onion into small pieces. So I'm going to just cut these onions into really small pieces. If you have a grater, use that. If you don't, we struggle locally, you know. So I'll do the same for this other part of the onion. So I'll basically just mix it all together. After it's all uniform, I'll add some cooking oil to make it soft. But you can use margarine if you have, or you can use Prestige, whatever. This is just to make it soft. I'm not measuring anything because we just use filling, like Uncle Roger says. We use fillings. So I'll now add water. So I'm done baking that dough. We are going to leave it for some minutes, then come back. So I've now put them down into small pieces. So now it's time to start frying them.
tasty. Very tasteful.
Taste.
Bring a
Cameraman. So guys, we are done making our chapatis. They are all here. This is super hot. They are soft. Some are here stacked in a kavera. Make them soft. So I'll put the rest here. Chapati!
How many are there?
So, yeah. Bye.